Hello everyone, if your GTA 5 is crashing on the loading screen, it won't launch because it keeps crashing, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix GTA 5 from crashing on the loading screen easily. So first off, you're going to open up your Explorer and then you're going to go to your C drive. Now you're going to go into Windows. Here you're going to go into System 32. Here it is. Here you need to look for three files. So the first one is D3D9. So just click on any file, press D on your keyboard. Here it is. Now you need to look for D input. So just keep scrolling down until you find it. Here it is. And the third file is D input 8.dll. So you're just going to right click and copy all three of these files. And then you're going to go to your GTA's directory. So I don't know where your game is, but I'm going to go to my game now. Your game's location may be different. Now you're just going to paste these three files into your GTA's directory. And now just go ahead and launch your game and you'll see that your game will work correctly. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to fix GTA 5 crashing during the loading screen. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.